Hi, today I want to show you how you can quickly reset your service reminders on Mitsubishi Outlander. I have 2010 Mitsubishi Outlander, and that's how you do it. So you use this info button on the left to switch to the service panel. This is the one. Now you hold it until this starts blinking. Then again, and again. Now you do 1, 2, 3 until you see this blinking. Now we have a different options of setting to a different settings depending on your location and how often you want the service reminders to give a reminder. So as NAS 20, I think it's about 6 months. So if you want to change the settings, you can just flip through all of those just by pushing this info button. So I'm gonna go back to my NAS 20. Now hold it until it stops blinking, and I'm going back to default. Now I'm gonna to hold it and push it really fast and let it go, and now it's cleared. So the best way to reset that is to go back again to the settings. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, and now change to those. So let's say I want NAS 11. Hold it. Okay. Now hold it again and just tap it. Now it's cleared. So now I'm gonna have service reminders every 4 months. Let's go again, and I want 6 months. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna go to NAS 20. I went too fast. Go again to NAS 20. Hold it. Okay. Hold. Quickly clear. Now I'm gonna have service reminders every 6 months. See, service reminders every 6 months. If you have more questions, send me an email and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.